Rushing to work, grabbing whatever's easy, and running on caffeine all day? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you you can stay energized, focused, and healthy without spending hours meal prepping? Let's get into some game-changing nutrition hacks for busy professionals. Skip the sugary pastries. Go for high-protein, grab-and-go options like Greek yogurt with nuts, protein smoothies, or overnight oats. Pro tip: keep a stash of protein bars in your bag for emergencies. Avoid the 3 p.m. energy crash. Swap junk snacks for brain-boosting choices. Almonds, boiled eggs, hummus with veggies, or dark chocolate with nuts. Bonus tip: keep a stash at your desk so you never have to rely on vending machines. Say no to food comas. Choose lunches with lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Think grilled chicken salads, grain bowls, or protein pack wraps. Too busy to leave the office? Order smart. Swap fries for extra greens and choose grilled over fried. Dehydration equals brain fog and fatigue. Keep a reusable water bottle on your desk and set a reminder to sip throughout the day. Bonus: herbal teas and infused water count too. Love coffee? Keep it to 1 or 2 cups before 2 p.m. to avoid sleep disruption. Need a midday boost? Try green tea or matcha for steady energy without the jitters. Too tired to cook? No problem. Grab pre-cooked proteins, pre-chopped veggies, and healthy frozen meals to whip up dinner in minutes. Need takeout? Go for grilled options, broth-based soups, or sushi over greasy fast food. Boom! 6 easy hacks to keep you healthy, energized, and on top of your game. No meal prep stress needed. Which tip was your favorite? Drop in the comments below and subscribe for more productivity and wellness hacks.